Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 10 in how to create a Wix website. Now in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and talk about a topic called password protected pages. Now a password protected page guys is a page which allows us to have restricted content that can be viewed using a password. Now this is a pretty neat and useful thing to have. For example, if you're a photographer and you want to create a private gallery for your private clients, you can go ahead and create that and then put a password on it so that your clients can go ahead and put it in and view it, okay? Now you can go ahead and use this for different functionalities, guys. It's completely up to you, but it's a pretty neat thing to have. So we're going to go ahead and learn how we can create this for our website. So let's go ahead and do that right now, guys. Let's go back to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account, for this video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make my home page right here password protected, okay? So let's go ahead and do that right now and let's see what it looks like. So to do that guys, we're going to scroll over to our left side over here to our pages menu, go ahead and click that. And then over here guys, make sure that the page you want is selected. So in my case, it's the home page right here. And we're going to go ahead and press this button right here. And then over here guys, we're going to scroll down to the third tab which says permissions. So go ahead and select that. And then over here guys, we can see that currently there are no restrictions for this page. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the second option right here to make it password protected. And over here, guys, we're going to go ahead and put in our password. So for this example, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put in the password. Now, it's not the most secure password in the world, but this is just for example purposes. So once you have a password in place, guys, go ahead and press this done button right here. And once we have that done, we're going to go ahead and press this publish button on the top right. And then over here, guys, we're going to go ahead and press this view site button to see what it looks like. And let's give it a second. And we can see guys that this is what our password page looks like. So that's pretty cool. Now before we go ahead and actually test this out by putting in the password, a couple things that I do want to note over here. The first thing guys is that when you create a password page, it's important to understand that that particular page will not be viewed on Google. So it will not rank on Google simply because there's a password on it, okay? So keep that in mind. The next thing that I want to talk about is that as far as the password page layout goes, this is a layout that is designed by Wix themselves for your particular theme and template, okay? So that's pretty cool. So once we have that in place, guys, we can go ahead and put in our password right here to see if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and enter our password. Once we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and press this go button right here, and we should be directed to our home page. Let's give it a second. And there we go, guys. We can see that right here now we're directed to our home page and our password has been removed. So that's pretty cool. So with that said guys, that's how you can go ahead and create a password page. Now to remove your password, you can simply go back to your Pages tab, select your specific page, press this button right here, select the permission tab once again, and this time select the no restrictions option and press done, press publish once again, and now we have no password on our site, okay? So there we go guys, we can see that right now we have no more password on our page and we're normally directed to our home page. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.